In this video, I'll show you how you can get an Arabic name in Roblox. Now first what you want to do is make sure you're over 18 on the birthday. Then you want to choose an Arabic speaking country. Obviously I have United States, so that doesn't work. But you can change it to an Arabic speaking country. If you already changed it once, you have to contact the support to get it changed again. Then the last thing is you need to type the name you want. So I'll just find a random letter here. And then what you want to do is simply press change name. And from in here, if you type in this, there will usually be an error saying that you cannot use this sign. Obviously I changed my name recently, so I cannot do it. But what you want to do is click here, get ready to delete it, instant copy and paste, Control V and press save. Just like that. You need to do it really fast. Now it might not work the first time or the second time, but if you do it like this, boom, boom, that's too slow. You need to do it super fast, right? So let's try again, just like that. If you keep doing it and your account location is in an Arabic speaking country, you'll be able to get the name. So that's basically how you can try and do it. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.